Cordless vacuum, GOOVI stick vacuum cleaner, 10 kPa powerful cleaning lightweight 2 inches 1 handheld vacuum with rechargeable lithium-ion battery and LED brush. Super cleaning power? With a highly efficient cyclone filter system, GOOVI cordless vacuum cleaner supports the powerful suction of 150W in max mode. Easy to absorb dust, hair and debris. Ideal for cleaning hard floors, woodhard floor and low-pile carpets in the home. Lightweight and versatile. Cordless and lightweight design. Cordless stick vacuum cleaner can convert into a handheld vacuum or equip with different attachments. It can easily clean high places, low places, stairs, kitchen or car to meet your different cleaning needs.